Hey guys, today I got a new iPad 8 generation which was released in 2020. I'm gonna do an unboxing video today. If you don't know, the iPad 8 has 3GB of RAM and came with a 12 bionic chip which was founded in the iPhone 8s. With this iPad I decided to go with a 128GB, so I'm gonna get extra space in case I need it. Let's unbox this bad boy. First, from the box we get the iPad 8 itself. Right here we have a piece of paper kinda show you a small guy how to use the iPad. And another paper show you how to not do and to do. Oh, I forgot the last one, you will get 2 Apple stickers. I hope Apple should include this depending on the color of the device that you get. I think it would be better. Next we get the USB-C cable to Lightning. Apple also give you a 20-watt adapter which will let you charge your iPhone much faster. Saying Apple, finally you did it. Now go back to the iPad. Let's set this bad boy up. I'm gonna speed up the setup process so you don't have to wait.